Hello Scratchers and welcome. Today's challenge, you're going to put your math and creativity together and have fun with the pen extension. What you're looking at is a simple grid size of 10 drawn right at the center. And if we change this, you can see the square is just going up and coming down, and same thing with the color. If I set it to slider, how do I set it to slider? On your variable, when you do control right click, you can see normal readout, large readout and slider. If you select slider, you can even play with the grid colors, or you can just code it to change different colors. Now to create different fun patterns, I'm going to remove the erase all from the code. Now I would like you to start thinking, how do we create these kind of patterns? What are we doing now? And what all you can do, like you already use pen to create a pretty orbit. So you know how to create different kind of circles. You will be able to easily create a square or rectangle. I look forward to seeing some interesting patterns. Now, one of the scratchers, I really enjoy seeing the intricacy of the projects. The scratcher name is Math JP and is a math teacher and a professor in France. And look at the intricate designs the teacher uses to create these using whole lot of math operations and math calculations. You should definitely give it a look. In terms of coding, for this what we have done is just set the center x and center y at 0 to start at the center point, and then we keep drawing the grid based on the grid size. To start the grid, we start from half of grid size and go up on the left, come straight, come down, come left, go up. So these are those 5 go-to X's, and we are setting a pen color and we are setting the pen size to the grid size. And then based on the 4 arrows, up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow, we are changing the center point. Your draw grid is just running in a forever loop. So it is the same code running. The only things we are changing is the center point, and of course we can change the grid size and you can change colors and the thickness. You can just play with anything. This is just an example. We are not looking for you to necessarily create the same object. The important thing is you play along, use whichever geometrical shapes you have understood so far. You can even play with sine and cos because you know how to create that orbit. And that's really the creative challenge today for you, using mathematics. Have fun, happy coding. Ta-da!